Alright, peeps, I'm about to cook some curry fried chicken. Fried curry chicken. Yep, curry fried chicken, whichever way I want to put it. You know, so see I have my Jamaican grass curry powder right here. Yes, peeps, see. Well, if you season it up, people, I'm tell you, say, that one here go wicked. I'm gonna say, that one here go wicked, peeps. Yes, so you see, I have a Maggi season. Yes, people, I have a Maggi season. Yeah, Maggi season right here. I'm gonna say, a curry fried chicken today, now, peeps. Yeah, man, curry fried chicken, you know. My black pepper, my garlic powder, and my salt. Yes, peeps, see my pot right here. Clean, pretty oil, ready for fry up. So, yo, I'm gonna season it up, people. I'm gonna season up the season up the meat. Yeah, I'm gonna finish season up the meat. I'm gonna show y'all the season up and then I'll show you that after when the chicken finish. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how the curry fried chicken look. So people stay tuned. I'm gonna season up the meat, peeps, and I'm gonna get into it and make y'all see the end result. Stay tuned, people. This is gonna be a beautiful video, you know. I'm gonna tell you, this one gonna be nice. This one gonna be nice. You see my curry powder, peeps. My Maggi season right there, so. My black pepper right here, so. My garlic powder right here, so. My salt right here, so. Let me tell you, so, peeps. Let me say, I cook today. Curry fried chicken. Yeah, man, people. That one here wicked, you know. Yeah, man, that one here loud, man, you know. Yes, peeps. Yeah, man. So, I season up the meat and show y'all how the meat look after I finish seasoning it up. So stay tuned, people. Alright, people, see my curry season right here. My curry season here, people. I'm about to sprinkle it on from the start. Season up the chicken, you know what I mean? I'm gonna say curry fried chicken, people. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get my season finger on this. Yes, peeps. You see that? Curry on, you know, people. I'm gonna say curry fried chicken, you know. You hear me? Curry fried chicken, people. Alright. Garlic powder, yeah. Finger on my garlic powder right now, peeps. Yeah. You know what I mean? Finger on. And after I finish putting on all of the season, people, I'm going to rub it in. I'm gonna rub it all in, people. Yeah. You know what I mean? So, my salt right here, so, peeps. My salt. Ain't gonna put on too much salt, though. You know. Just sprinkle the salt, peeps. And then my black pepper, people. My black pepper, peeps. Yeah, my black pepper. And sprinkle my black pepper, people. I use too much black pepper. Sprinkle on some more curry. Yes, peeps. I'm cooking curry fried chicken, peeps. Yeah. See what that say? Jamaican style curry powder. Right. Alright people, so you see, me have still have a piece of curry chicken, piece of curry leg right here, so piece of leg season up, and here goes my chicken leg in the season, as you can see, and this leg down here, so you can see the curry season and the end of the leg. So you can see it's in the season, people, so I'm about to fry it up. So when the end result here, I can be like, oh, that's not curry fried chicken. Alright, that's curry, that's not fried chicken. That's not curry fried chicken, you see? Here go the curry season on the chicken leg. Here goes my chicken breaded season up. Okay, peeps, we're about to get into it, and yeah, I will see the end result, so stay tuned. Yes, peeps, so you see there, curry fried chicken, as I'm saying here, so you can see the yellow color. Yes, people, curry fried chicken. You hear me? Curry fried chicken, people. Yeah, man. Get chicken fried up, you know what I mean? Yes, peeps. Take the cooking to a different level, you know what I mean? Yep. Yes, curry fried chicken. Yeah, dude, right now, curry fried chicken, people. So, you know, so when it's finished, I'll show you all the end result, you know? I know, so y'all gonna love this one, you know, people. Yeah, y'all gonna love this one, man. Yeah, curry fried chicken, peeps. Yeah, Flossy style, you know? I cooked this before, people, but I never put them in a video. I cooked curry fried chicken before, but I've never done it in a video. So I'm doing it so my subscribers can see. Yes, peeps, from start to finish. Yes, you see? Yes, peeps. Here in the pot cooking, you know? You can see the curry. You see the curry yellow color on the chicken. We just make it fry up and get one color. It's gonna be so delicious, people. So delicious. It's gonna be so delicious. Had it before, yeah, really yummy. When we all be saying yummy, this is yummy, peeps. Yep. So you know, I'm making sure doing the video so y'all can see, people. Curry fried chicken, you know. Yes, peeps. Hope y'all enjoy this one, you know. Yeah, so please the chicken finishing up. Curry fried chicken finished, please. Oh, I eat. We go over the chicken, my we see that glare. I eat that glare. Yeah, so beautiful. Oh, the steam is blowing out. Alright, just to show y'all, say the curry fried chicken finished, people. So I'm gonna put it in the with the strainer off in the strainer. And I'm gonna show y'all how it looks, people. Alright, stay tuned. Yes, people, so the curry fried chicken done now. Yeah, curry fried chicken, people. It's finished. You know, it looks so brighter, but this phone, I don't know why this phone make it look like that. But yes, peeps, curry fried chicken is done. And it's going to be delicious. Showing you all the end results, people. Yeah, showing you all the end results, peeps.